Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Academy. Today we'll be discussing Battle of Kharda. This Battle of Kharda was fought in the year 1795. More particularly on 11th March 1795, right? It was fought between Nizam of Hyderabad and Maratha Confederacy. Maratha Confederacy means all chiefs of Marathas, they fought against Nizam, right? And in this battle, Nizam was defeated. Nizam was defeated, and Maratha was victorious. Maratha was victorious. Why Maratha was victorious? Because all chiefs together fought against Nizam. Nizam was very rich and powerful, however, he was defeated by Maratha Confederacy. And you have to remember one thing, that there was a policy called policy of non-intervention. You see, John Shore was Governor General at that time. He implemented a policy called policy of non-intervention. Non-intervention policy. What is this policy? You see, and how this policy is connected with Nizam, you should understand. You see, John Shore, under this policy of non-intervention, it was the duty of East India Company, British, to protect those kingdoms, those empires, those kings who accept this policy of non-intervention, right? However, British betrayed Nizam, right? Nizam accepted this policy. So you can see that British betrayed Nizam, and as a result, Nizam was defeated by Marathas. And after this battle, Nizam lost faith. Over British East India Company. Right? This is the point you should remember. Let me explain again. This Battle of Kharda was fought in 1795 between Nizam and Marathas, right? Why Marathas were victorious? Because they together fought the war, together fought this battle. And why Nizam was defeated despite a rich and big empire? Because Nizam was betrayed by British. Because Nizam accepted policy of non-intervention. Under this policy, it was duty of British to protect Nizam. However, British betrayed Nizam. So Nizam was defeated. Right? This is the point you should remember. Another point, this Battle of Kharda was last battle of Maratha chiefs. This is the last battle of Maratha chiefs, you should remember. Questions may be asked that in which year Battle of Kharda was fought? 1795. And what was the last battle of Maratha chiefs? Battle of Kharda. And who was defeated in this Battle of Kharda? Nizam. And who introduced policy of non-intervention? John Shore, the Governor General, right? This is all about your Battle of Kharda. Thank you for watching Vikas Academy.